Right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these dudes go to a power station? Here's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You've got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting transformers? Okay. She was always this easy.
Cutting wires. Get the job done. Looking for orders, macho man. Tell the boss! Tell him Spider-Man's here!
Y'all the folks who robbed Teo's place? Where's Spider-Man? Where is Spider-Man? Oh, look, man. That sounds crazy. This yours? Got him!
Give me your best shot!
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. Got it! I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Ugh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only 2 men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus.
Take your best! Alright, who let Spider-Man to us? Derek? I know it was Derek! Keep him on the ground!
Peace out!
Taking you down! Dodge this! Got a shot!
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station? What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know?
Let's see you dodge this! Give me your best shot!
Seriously, who planned the bank robbery?
Get him down here! here! I do not like this! Found it! Get to me!
I need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator, and hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
Think I heard you. Where'd he go? Stay sharp, boys.
Forget this! Going in loud!
How are we supposed to find it? Come on! We can hang here and face them! Mono us fighters! I'm not gonna go out like that! I got you now, kid! Gotcha!
Here! Catch!
Still wanna be Spider-Man? Running out of guys here! Get ready! We got this asshole!
Time to check the breaker. No good. Board's not powered. Need a generator. Here we go. Generator's on. I don't think it's hooked up. Connection solid. Let there be...
Hey, kitty, it's okay.
Spider-Man?
Huh? You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process? His bones will still break!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery! Give me the cat, and I'll let you go! Deal?
No deal! Don't let him leave here! You're done, kid!
Seriously, guys? Give up your boss! I'll figure it out eventually!
Ha! You think we're scared of you? He's 10 times worse! I did not sign up! Crap! Where is he? Is he gone?
I think I'm safe now.
Let's fight! That looks painful! I did not sign up for this crap! Think we scared him off! Look around and Spider-Man! Can't live forever, Spider-Man! Got a shot!
It's a bad day to mess with us!
What? You don't stand a chance! How are we supposed to find him? Will Spider-Man do this?
And find him!
Let's see you dodge this!
You're mine!
What do you mean your boss is worse? I'm mopping the floor with you!
You don't kill people! Boss does!
This ain't looking good, fellas! Get a hold of yourself!
Knew I could do it.
You can still trust ghosts, right? Yeah.
Yeah, get a hold of yourselves and find it!
Easier than I thought. Now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with. Call you soon.
Finally get to work on time, now that the subway's working.
Hey, Teo. Got a surprise for you.
Oh yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes you did. Oh, yes you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. Hey, man.